Our orchid will grow healthy and produce plenty of flower spikes using just 2 simple kitchen ingredients. The best part is that you don't need expensive chemical fertilizers or complicated formulas, yet the results may still surprise you. Today, I'll use coffee grounds and rice powder to make a completely natural organic fertilizer. If you want your orchids to develop lush green leaves, a strong root system, and produce more flowers, be sure to watch this entire video. I'll guide you through every step, from preparing the ingredients and making the solution to using it in the most effective way. Do you drink coffee regularly? Most of us usually throw away the used coffee grounds, but today I'm going to turn them into an organic fertilizer for orchids. Coffee grounds contain small amounts of organic matter along with naturally occurring minerals such as nitrogen, which can help support plant growth when used properly. First, I'll prepare a clean glass cup. Then add about 500 milliliters of hot water, followed by all of the used coffee grounds. When steeped in hot water, the coffee grounds gradually release their natural organic compounds, creating a solution that can help improve the structure of the growing medium and support the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the soil. In addition, coffee grounds can help improve the growing medium, creating a more favorable environment for healthy root development and more efficient nutrient uptake. After adding the coffee grounds to the water, I'll stir well so the natural compounds and nutrients gradually dissolve into the solution. This is the first step in making a simple, economical organic fertilizer that anyone can prepare at home. Next, the second ingredient I'll use is rice powder. Rice powder contains starch along with many naturally occurring trace minerals that can provide an additional source of organic nutrients for plants. I'll prepare about 1 liter of warm water, then add 3 teaspoons of rice powder to the container. When mixed with warm water, the rice powder gradually releases its natural starches and water-soluble nutrients, forming a slightly creamy, more uniform solution. Next, I'll stir thoroughly so the rice powder dissolves and its nutrients are gradually released into the water. Once everything has been mixed, allow the solution to steep until it has cooled completely. During this time, the nutrients will gradually dissolve into the water, creating a simple organic solution for the orchids in the following steps. After 3 hours, once the coffee solution has cooled completely, I'll strain out all of the coffee grounds and keep only the liquid. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, add 1 liter of clean water and stir well to dilute the solution evenly. Now the solution is ready to use. Method 1. Wiping the orchid leaves. I'll soak a soft cotton pad or cloth in the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. Cleaning the leaves removes accumulated dust, residue, and other impurities from the leaf surface. Cleaner leaves are able to photosynthesize more efficiently, helping the plant maintain healthy green foliage with a natural glossy appearance. Regularly cleaning the leaves also helps reduce conditions that favor fungi and harmful microorganisms, especially in humid environments. Don't forget to gently wipe the leaf bases and the spaces between the leaves, but avoid allowing the solution to remain there for extended periods. To keep the foliage clean and healthy, you can wipe the leaves about once or twice a month. Avoid cleaning them too frequently because the natural protective coating on the leaves also plays an important role in protecting the plant from environmental stress. With just a few minutes of routine care, your orchids can remain clean, well-ventilated, and beautifully green for a long time. Method 2. Misting the orchids. Next, I'll pour the solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire orchid. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. When spraying, lightly coat both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution is distributed evenly while helping remove any remaining dust. Then I'll also lightly spray the surface of the growing medium so the solution gradually reaches the root zone, where the plant absorbs water and nutrients. Maintaining appropriate moisture around the growing medium and roots helps the plant grow more steadily while creating favorable conditions for new roots to develop and function efficiently. I usually mist the plants once or twice a week, applying only a moderate amount so the plant has time to benefit from the solution without leaving the growing medium constantly wet. The best time to spray is early in the morning or late in the afternoon when temperatures are cooler. Avoid spraying during the hottest part of the day or under intense direct sunlight because water remaining on the leaves can stress the plant and negatively affect both the foliage and the root system. Once the rice powder solution has cooled completely, I'll strain out all of the solids, keeping only the liquid. Next, combine the rice powder solution with the remaining coffee solution prepared earlier. The combination of coffee and rice powder creates a simple organic nutrient solution that provides additional organic matter and beneficial trace minerals for plants. When used properly, this mixture can help improve the growing medium, support steady plant growth, and create favorable conditions for a stronger, healthier root system. Then stir thoroughly until both liquids are completely blended. At this point, the nutrient solution is ready, and I'll pour it into a watering can. Method 3. Watering the growing medium. Next, I'll use the prepared solution to gently water the surface of the orchid's growing medium. While watering, I'll focus on the area surrounding the roots so the solution gradually reaches the root zone, where water and nutrients are absorbed most efficiently. Only a moderate amount of solution is needed, just enough to moisten the growing medium without allowing water to accumulate inside the pot. Applying the solution slowly and in the proper amount allows the roots to absorb nutrients steadily while reducing the risk of waterlogging, root rot, or unnecessary stress on the plant. After watering, the growing medium will maintain an appropriate moisture level, encouraging new root development and helping the orchids grow stronger over time. Results. After 2 months, the results truly surprised me. The orchids became noticeably healthier, with deep green leaves that were naturally glossy and full of vigor. The older leaves maintained their healthy color, while new leaves continued to emerge, growing larger, stronger, and more vibrant. The root system also became much more active, allowing the plants to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, creating a solid foundation for long-term healthy growth. What pleased me most was seeing the orchids begin producing numerous new flower spikes and buds. The flowers bloomed evenly, displayed vibrant colors, and remained beautiful for a much longer time. Using nothing more than simple kitchen ingredients, we've created a natural, affordable, and easy-to-make orchid care solution that anyone can prepare at home. What do you think about this method? Has anyone here ever tried using coffee grounds and rice powder to care for orchids? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss more effective orchid and houseplant care tips in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.